There is a bit of a legacy in the way people have targeted amyloid beta. As you probably know, in early days, people thought that plaques were responsible for neurotoxicity and the related cognitive decline. So with time, we learned that those act as a reservoir for the smaller assemblies. But still, in those days, probably even a decade ago, uh, people thought a monomeric type of amyloid beta might be responsible for that sort of toxicity. Now we learned a lot. We understand that the oligomer species or assemblies, and there is a lot of evidence out there that suggests to us these entities are responsible for killing our neurons. I don't want to be too simplistic uh, about this approach because there are different type of oligomers, and not every single oligomeric entity is able to cause toxicity. And again, it goes back to the way we produce molecules and antibodies that specifically target the neurotoxic oligomeric forms. And again, the data and the information we learned and gained so far is allowing us to do that. My team, for instance, has produced so far over 10 antibodies that have the capability to specifically bind and target those toxic or neurotoxic oligomeric forms.